What's up? Welcome back for another video, and if you're at the Hustle World, and it is hump day, people, and we're trying to help you get over it. Now we got a couple of watch faces to check out that I think are totally awesome. You like yesterday's watch faces, I know you're gonna like this one. And we're gonna start off with number one. This one is called Ultra G watch. Very nice looking watch face. I love the design of this one. It's full of information. Now, in always on mode, it looks really nice in this mode, just as good in this mode as it does when the watch face is on. Now, if we look at the watch face, we're not gonna go no further until we tease you. Look in the center of the watch right there. What does that say, people? What does it say? Galaxy watch. That's right. So for my Galaxy watch people, listen, you got to download this one. Both watch faces that I'm going to review are free for the taking, no problem. But the people with the Gear S3, the Gear Sport, the Gear S2, listen, you can play this one as well. Now, if you look at the watch face at the top, you're going to get your step info. You're going to get a nice big bold digital time, and you're going to get your weather single tap. You go right into it. And of course, we got Galaxy watch there again. Right. All right, we're quick teasing. We got battery info. You can make a phone call. You got your floors climb. You also got, well, you can tap into your music, play your music on your run. Also, you get your weather info, which is definitely important for me. And you get an animated seconds, miles walked or ran as well. This is a beautiful watch face that offers a lot of features for free. Make sure you go download this one. But most of all, I want to know what you thought of it. Let's check out watch face number two. Watch face number two. Number two is called G Watch Bold 12/24 hours. Nice looking watch face, nice design, looks just as nice in the always on mode. But I like the look of this one. I really do. Now you get a big bold digital time for a guy like me who wear glasses, can't see. This is right up my alley. You get your heart rate, step info at the top, miles walked or ran. You also get your date right here in this little corner. And again, you got your weather. You can come over here, you got your battery info, nice big bold digital time, which I love, and you got your floors climb. Also, you get a nice big bold animated seconds down at the bottom too. You get your music player, and you get to make your phone calls right from the watch. This is nice. Again, for a free watch face, you can't beat these at all, people. Go download today. All right, you all, that's going to be it. Now, hump day doesn't mean that it's a bad day. All it means is that it's a challenging day. All right, you all, get over it. I'll see you all at the end of the video. Listen, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.